County seeing more whooping cough cases right now. The health department says the number is 5 times higher this year compared to previous years. It's also part of a growing national trend. This respiratory disease, also known as pertussis, lasts longer than 2 weeks, and it of course has that distinctive whooping sound. Kids that cough are often nauseous, and while it's rare, babies can even stop breathing. This is contagious as well. Officials say the best way to prevent it is make sure you're vaccinated. Most cases involve children, we're told, who did not get the pertussis vaccine. Vaccines are available at the Knox County Health Department. You can call 865-215-5555 to make an appointment.